Have you ever noticed how exhausting it is to live constantly checking if others approve of your choices? It's like being an actor who never leaves the stage, always performing for an audience that never applauds. Stay until the end, because I'm going to show you what happens when you finally stop begging for approval. The pursuit of approval is an invisible prison. You change the way you speak depending on who's around, hide your real opinions, and even pretend to like things that leave you empty inside. But here's the problem. The more you try to please everyone, the more you disappear. It's like trying to be water in any container, until you forget what your original shape was. First step, accept that not everyone is going to like you. And you know what? That's liberating. Even if you were perfect, there would still be someone criticizing you. Jesus had enemies. Mother Teresa had critics. You think you're going to be different? Stop trying to be loved by people who don't even really know you. Second step, define your own standards of success and happiness. Society will tell you that you need more money, more followers, more recognition. But what if your version of success is having time to read a book in peace? What if it's being able to sleep without anxiety? Your standards, your rules. Third step, value those who accept you as you are, without masks. These people are rare and precious. They don't judge you when you're quiet. They don't demand that you're always upbeat. And they celebrate your victories without envy. Invest your energy in them, not in those who only tolerate you when you're convenient. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "What does it matter what others think of you if you know who you are? The approval that really matters comes from within." Think honestly. How many important decisions in your life have you failed to make because of fear of others' judgment? How many opportunities have you lost because you were too busy trying to be accepted? How many times have you said yes when you wanted to say no, just to avoid disappointing anyone? Starting today, try living for your own approval. Make decisions based on your values, not on fears of how you'll be judged. Because in the end, the only person who will live with the consequences of your choices is yourself. And when you stop begging for approval, you finally start living for real.